All right, so first thing you want to do is just get it cleaned real quick. Nice squeegee. Then, once we do this, we'll go ahead and scrape it. If you look, it's very dirty. All right, now we're gonna take our scraper blade. These are called Triumphs. Put this guy back here. Grabbing myself a new one. Just like yay. Now I'm gonna scrape it. When you scrape it, you actually remove any of the contamination completely off. So just like that. Then I'm gonna do one of these. You notice that's all the stuff I scraped. Now, prep our film. I get it nice and tight. Spray the interior because you want the liner to stick back on the film. Closing the adhesive, just like so. Got that. I'm going to do what's called a drop roll, just like that. I set this top edge. Grab my squeegee. Now you can actually see the liner. I pull it off. Like that. Now I'm going to tack the center. And then I'm going to get this all nice and tacked. I'm making laps that are going in the middle. And the reason why is because I want it to overlap every single time. It's going to give me a better overall outcome. What I like to do with these, I like to just hand cut them. Just like that. Then I always tear away from the film. On the corners, I like to do a 45-degree. Get my knife, I'm gonna go right at the corner, pull away, that way it tucks in really nice. Pulling away. I like to run my card up and down. Make sure there's no sticking points, that it's nice and flat. Get my blade in there, and then follow that one nice straight path all the way down. Once you come to the bottom, take your blade, go the opposite direction, just like that. If you have that little sticking spot, go back over. Get it all out of there. Now I'm going to give it one final squeegee. That way I know it's all nice and done. When you squeegee it like this, you're not going to have any contamination. The probability of coming out with a much cleaner job is a lot better. Usually I like using a white card, but in this case I'm going to use this guy. And I'm just going to bump my edges, make sure all the water is removed. Put our handle back on. Get it nice and tight. go have a look. There you go. I just finished the other ones.